You guys see that right there? Look at that nice piece of gold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, look at those pieces of gold right there. We just found our first piece of gold, dude. Come on, dude. Woo! Look at that piece of gold, guys. I'm gonna take my little sniffer bottle that I have, and we're just gonna sniffer bottle it up. Oh, that didn't work. There it is. Let's go. It's in here, guys. Somewhere in there is my little piece of gold. Look at those pieces of gold. That's a piece of gold right there, guys. And that's a piece of gold. There's probably a bunch more of it in here. I'm gonna start breaking it down, and we're gonna see how much gold. Oh, I got all the material right here. I'm gonna go wash it out in the water and see about cleaning the sluice off, getting the rest of the material in here. We can start panning this stuff. Just putting this thing back. Just want to mention that when you put this thing back, you won't be able to put it back in a different way. It kind of all pieces together. So before I leave, I just want to make sure that all this stuff goes back how it's supposed to for the next time that I got to use it. You guys see that right there? Look at that nice piece of gold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, look at those pieces of gold right there.